you know personal growth is very important to you. And you know rituals around that create a space, a time for you to step into it. But you're resisting, right? Because personal growth requires change. And change is something that's difficult for us. Personal growth is also saying that you're not where you want to be and that you're maybe in a place of not good enoughness. I'm here to tell you, you are enough in this moment. Just because you're feeling called to personally grow does not mean that you are not enough. It means that you are looking for an expansive experience in the world. It means that your purpose is to shine light in a higher vibration so that the world's vibration is elevated. And that's all just the most juicy thing in the world. I'm here with another bonus card from the Oracle of the Lake deck that speaks directly to this. You can think about the bonus cards, there are two of them, as the joker cards in the deck. You can set them aside and use them when you need just to focus in on their message, and you'll know when that is, right? Or you can mix them in with the deck, and when they reveal themselves in relationship to a specific question that you are inquiring of the deck about, and they show up, using it as the corner piece to receiving answers is paramount. So this, without further ado, um, is the bonus card number 2. It is the Mug Musings card. So I have another playlist that's Mug Musing that you can go see that goes deeper into just the personal insights that we're craving answers for. They actually parallel the Oracle of the Lake deck in that when you reflect on a Mug Musing, you can use the Oracle of the Lake deck to go deeper into your own query about that. But when this shows up for you, it reveals that it's time to create a ritual around your personal growth and or add more into that ritual. So Mug Musings are very personal to me. It's actually where the Oracle of the Lake deck um, was birthed, right? It was birthed here on the shores of Lake Winnipesaukee, the smile of the Great Spirit. But it was birthed when I sat on the deck each and every morning, deep in my morning rituals, connecting with the air, the water, the fire, and the earth that surrounded me as I was journaling deeply and reflecting on my own personal growth and spiritual awakening journey. So when this Mug Musing appears for you, it's asking you to go create a sacred self observation, perhaps a journaling ritual, or whatever meditation ritual you may have, because wisdom is in the daily pause that we have in our life. And it's asking you to align with that because when we mug on and go deep into our own self reflection and self observation, that's when the kernels of growth start popping all over the place. And you get creative in life and you get curious about where this crazy old journey is taking us. And we can explore that through the mud musings of your world. So step into that deep connection and those rituals for yourself. There's more about this inside the description below in the other playlist that's Mug Musing, but mostly inside the link that takes you into the great insights and information and empowerment that the Oracle of the Lake provides for you. And I will see you in another card revealing for you that is going to be happening shortly.